Welcome to in other news. Welcome to in other news.
Here, good to see you. So we're starting a channel called In Other News. It's going to be about entertainment, sports, current events, global politics, all of that fun stuff. Let's take a look at what we'll be checking out.
Hey everyone, quiet down. There's a bulletin on TV.
And now for this news flash.
Welcome to in other news.
Those people who support him with anger and hate, because that's what he's about, they're going to see. I mean, I used to see these things. I didn't understand how he and Rosie O'Donnell used to get it. Didn't really care. Yeah. I see what a hateful, mean-spirited, awful thing he is.
Let's go.
Hello, Mr. Trump. It's an honor to meet you. I was wondering what you would say to President Obama.
You're fired.
That the whole premise of their democracy,
First and goal. Mahomes flings it. It's there! Hardman! Jackpot! Kansas City!
So here we are in front of the elephants. And the cool thing about these guys is that they have really, really, really long
Charlie bit me.
Apple. What? Knife? Huh? Ooh. Oh, I warned you. Ow.
Burritos.
That's a bit rude. Damn, that kid is a beast.
Welcome to in other news. Welcome to in other news.